Good morning, guys. Today we are going to show you how to clean the microwave oven, both from the inside and from the outside. So as you can see, the outside is also quite dirty. Thanks to its black color, it doesn't look too dirty, but it actually is quite dirty. If you see the inside, this is also quite dirty with food particles stuck on the top and bottom. So first we will clean the inside and then we'll show you how to clean the outside. So for cleaning the inside, we will use apple cider vinegar, and in a bowl we have taken 2 portions of apple cider vinegar and 3 portions of normal water. So we'll put this bowl inside the microwave and we'll close, and in normal microwave mode we will run it for 5 minutes. Okay, still 2.5 minutes to go. You're already having a smell like the vinegar. So there will be some smell vinegarish. Your kitchen would smell like a vinegar, but that's okay, would not last very long. What happens is this steam generated with the vinegar and water mixture would remove the stains from inside of the microwave, and hopefully we'll be able to clean it quite nicely. Let's wait and watch. Okay, so we are almost done, and after it's finished, I would suggest you stay for 1 more minute, let the things get cold a little bit inside, and then you open the door. So like that, we'll come back after 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute is over, so I'll use a hot mitten for the microwave and then take out. Oh god, this is very hot. Take this from inside, and this is of no use. We'll have to throw this away. We'll now take out the plate. This also needs to be cleaned, and also this roller. And you can see the amount of dust and dirt inside. And now we'll use a paper towel like this, and just as soon as you wipe, you can see all the muck coming out quite easily, and things would look much cleaner. Just would like to add that in case you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can use normal white vinegar. If you don't have that, you can use quite a few lemon wedges. So basically anything works. You just need citric acid. We generally clean the microwave once in a month because we don't have a regular use. But if you do use it regularly for different purposes, would suggest you clean this once in 2 weeks. Okay, so if you see the inside now, it looks much clean and almost like new, but you know there are some very tough stains which don't go, like you can see one in the back. I will try to rub it clean once again, but this is the best you can get. It shines inside. And now I'll show you how to clean the outside. Okay, so for cleaning the outside, first you need to switch off the power, and you need a cloth or a paper tissue, and you need a cleaning liquid like this. I'm using Mr. Muscle, but you can use anything you want. So basically you spray a dash of this, and this is enough, and let it stay for a little moment, and then just simply use the paper towel to swipe clean. So this cleaning of the total microwave would take a maximum of 10 minutes of your time. My kitchen itself is quite dirty because it's not really mine. I stay in a rented place. Okay, so I have cleaned it from inside and outside and looks quite like new. Although I must mention this is already a 4-year-old microwave. You can see the inside and outside. This is the best you can get of a 4-year-old microwave. And I hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up, and if you want more videos from me, I'm just starting out, so please subscribe to my channel. See ya.